This ruggedized 8-inch tablet from MUNBYN comes along with this screen protector. It says front and back, so we're going to make sure that it's nice and dusted off, and we'll put the back side down on the screen. Couldn't be easier. And now we'll peel off the back layer here. Use that to pull whatever cling off. And now we'll set this on. Very simple to set on in place. We'll squeegee all the bubbles and stuff off of the screen. And then when we're done, we'll peel off this front. And now we've got a bubble-free clear protection screen that came with the tablet. I want to thank MUNBYN. Hope this helps.